I'm Jen, and welcome to my studio. And today we're going to be doing a technique exercise that involves paradiddles and a paradiddle variation. It's a pretty simple exercise, but it's a lot of fun, and it can be done anywhere from intermediate to super advanced depending on the tempo that you choose. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to give you the mechanics of it and then the sequence, and then we'll do it at a moderate tempo, but you guys can take it up, down, whatever you want to with tempo. For video purposes, we will do it at a moderate tempo. Okay, so you start with two paradiddles. Paradiddle, paradiddle. Nice and simple, right? Two paradiddles. Then you have dig, spank, heel, flap, heel, stamp. So that sequence is a little bit of a variation on a paradiddle. Dig, spank, heel, flap, heel, stamp. So dig, spank, and then heel with the opposite foot. Flap, heel, stamp with that free foot. So dig, spank, heel, flap, heel, stamp. Let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8. Dig, spank, heel, flap, heel, stamp. Good, try again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Dig, spank, heel, flap, heel, stamp. Awesome. So two paradiddles and then that. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and dig, spank, heel, flap, heel, stamp. Awesome. So what you're going to do is you're going to do that twice in a row. Paradiddle, paradiddle, dig, spank, heel, flap, heel, stamp. Let's try that twice in a row. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and dig, spank, heel, flap, heel, stamp. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and dig, spank, heel, flap, heel, stamp. Awesome. You can imagine at a higher tempo, that gets crazy. Crazy, right? So you can take it as fast or as slow as you want to. But again, for video learning purposes, moderate tempo. So that's the first half. You do that twice. Then, it starts almost the same. You have two paradiddles. Dig, spank, heel, flap, heel. Then you do dig, spank, heel, flap, heel again. Then you do it one more time. Then you finish it off with step, heel, stamp. And then your left foot would be free to do the other side completely. So this last part is two paradiddles and then 3 of those variations. 1, 2. Dig, spank, heel, flap, heel. Dig, spank, heel, flap, heel. Dig, spank, heel, flap, heel. And then step, heel, stamp. But the step, heel, stamp would happen right away. So let's try all of that together, no pauses. 2 paradiddles, 3 variations, step, heel, stamp. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. Hold 8. Awesome. Okay, so let's try the whole thing from the top. Paradiddle, paradiddle, variation, stamp. Paradiddle, paradiddle, variation, stamp. Paradiddle, paradiddle, 3 variations, step, heel, stamp. Let's try it. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. Hold 8. And then we do the whole thing on the left. So let's try the whole thing on the left. There's nothing different about it. You've already done all of these things on that foot, except the end step, heel, stamp would be with the right foot. So let's just give it a try and see what happens. What's the worst that happens? We try it again? All right, so 2 paradiddles, variation, stamp. 2 paradiddles, variation, stamp. 2 paradiddles, 3 variations, step, heel, stamp. Start with the left foot. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 let's do right to left, then we'll try it with music. Let's do it. Ready? 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, It's a lot to say. So hopefully that went okay. I think having a song to help us out is going to work out really, really well. I've had to switch to a different music library for these technique exercises because I keep getting copyright flags like a year after I use it from the other source. I've even like contacted them and complained about it. I'm just like, you said this was copyright free. You said this was like able for YouTubers to use it without getting any strikes. And they were like, yeah, well, the artist. And I'm like, okay, but so I found a new source. Should be good. It's in the YouTube audio library, the official YouTube audio library. So I will write a strongly worded letter if this doesn't, actually that's pretty much what I do. All right, so we ready? Let's give it a shot. So it's a little quicker. Paradiddle, paradiddle, dick spank, heel pull, lap, heel stick. Ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left side. All right. So that got a little quiet. So that was halfway doing it with music and our final run through. How about that? All right, let's try it again with music. I turned it up this time. It started out way louder and then got quiet. So one more time. One more time. Let's do it. I'll figure out this library eventually. There we go. Ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left side. Good. Okay, so what I want to do is try it faster, because this can get as fast as you want to, right? So let's try it faster. I'll pick a different song and we'll just go for it and see what happens. It'll be something like paradiddle, paradiddle, dick spank heel full lap heel stand. Paradiddle, paradiddle, dick spank heel full lap heel stand. You ready to try it? If you don't want to, just skip to the end of the video where I talk about subscribing, because that's a very, very important thing. So please subscribe to this channel. But if you want to try it, let's go. Why not? All right, let's give it a try. Let's do it at that tempo one more time because that was fun. I'll just find a different part of the song and count you in. Let's do it. But I hope that you guys really enjoyed that technique exercise. Take it up as high as you want to, take it down a little bit slower if you want to. Bring it to your classes, whether they're intermediate or advanced. Just use a different song, change the tempo, and really focus on, this focuses on dexterity and musicality. That's what this exercise is great for. So hopefully you guys enjoyed learning it. I really enjoyed teaching it to you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the TAP fam so you have access to all of these tutorials. I put several new tutorials out every single week. I have not missed a week in the entire almost 2 years that this channel has been a thing. Holy crap. Almost 2 years this channel has been a thing. I haven't missed a week, and I don't plan on it because I film ahead just so that I don't have to worry about that. So I put out brand new content for you. There's always going to be a new technique exercise and a new choreography tutorial for you. So please subscribe so that you can be a part of this TAP fam and a part of this studio. I love having you as my student. Also, hit the thumbs up because first of all, this exercise was fun. And second of all, because it really helps other tap dancers find this video and find this channel so that they can have these resources available to them as well, because it is free. And why wouldn't we want to share the love, right? Hit the thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and as always, thank you for dancing with me.